Hello, today I will be going over how to resolve a Git conflict from the command line, and I'll be doing so the easiest way possible. Chances are, if you're working with Git and you're working with a team of developers, you've come across this before. This means we have a conflict. So to begin, I'm going to pull the latest and greatest of my master branch. I'll create a new branch, call it feature 1, and I'm going to add some changes to it. And save and commit, push it up, and then create my pull request. Usually this is where I go back to the command line and I make my changes, resolve the conflict, and I push back up even before creating the pull request. But I do want to show you guys that if you are not sure what you're doing, you can click create pull request. You just won't be able to merge, and there actually are some instructions here, but I do not recommend doing them. Specifically, step 3, red flag. But as I promised, I want to show you how to do it the quickest way possible. And if I go back, I'm going to edit the file I just changed, remove the line, and actually push it to a different line number. We'll save, amend, and push up with a force flag since I'm changing history. And then I will once again open up the pull request. And now we can see that there's absolutely no conflict. We get the green check mark and we're able to merge it. This scenario that I did, moving the line to a different place, works 99% of the time if you are working on a brand new set of logic and you haven't touched or changed any logic that already exists. Going back here, step number 3 specifically, I'm not a fan of. It's telling you to merge the release branch into your feature branch. The reason why that's a big red flag for me is because staging contains all of developers' changes that are still being tested, still being worked on, not yet potentially ready for production. So if I'm going to take all of that and merge it into my feature branch, I'm essentially saying that I have to wait until all of my peers' code have been approved to production before I myself take my change and deploy to production.